Hi, I'm Mohammed and you're watching the 29th episode of the Academic IELTS Writing Series. This is the last tutorial in this series. In this episode, we're going to go over some factors that you should pay attention to successfully analyze and learn from the IELTS essays you read. Now let's get started. The first criterion is task achievement. A good essay addresses all parts of a task, maintains a well-developed position, and has well-supported ideas. The second criterion is coherence and cohesion. In a good Task 2 essay, there is connection between sentences and also between paragraphs. The third criterion is lexical resource. A good Task 2 essay uses a wide range of topic-related vocabulary. The fourth and the last criterion is grammatical range and accuracy. A good Task 2 essay is grammatically correct, it is properly punctuated, and it also uses complex structures. Alright, we have reached the end of our academic IELTS writing journey. I hope you have found these tutorials helpful. Until next time, keep learning and keep practicing. Hey, it's me again. If you found this tutorial useful, make sure to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Ask me your questions in the comments below. You can also contact me at mohammedgulpaigani@gmail.com for online lessons.